Welcome everyone to the Pro Trade Room Plus, and this morning I'm going to teach everyone how to replay a trade. My name is Leigh Goldstein, Trading Director, 10-minute trades. Please remember all trades have risk. Trade carefully, please. Okay, everyone. So this morning we traded the ECB refi rate, and we are going to trade that again in a simulation replay mode, and I'm going to teach everybody how to do it. It's real easy, real simple to replay a trade. So make sure your chart is on the chart of the instrument that you want to trade. So we're trading the 6E 324. You go to Tools, you go to Historical Data, grab the chart, get Market Replay Data. The date is today, 3/7, and the instrument we're going to download is the 6E 324. Click download. You can actually see it download right there. Close the window when it's done downloading. Disconnect your connections if you were live, and then connect your NinjaTrader playback. It's a fantastic, then click continue. It's a fantastic feature of NinjaTrader that lets you replay an event. All right. Now, make sure both boxes have today's date. Today's date is March 7th. In this blank area here, you're going to right-click your mouse, go to, as soon as it becomes available, and you're going to put about 10 seconds before the time of the news event. The news event was 8:15, so we're going to do this. We're going to go 8:14 and 50 seconds. 10 seconds before the news, okay? We're making sure over here where it says ask and bid, right here, you want to make sure you see data, 417. If it's both zeros, your replayed data may not have downloaded properly. If you don't see numbers here and you just see zeros, right-click the chart, reload all historical data, and that sometimes helps you load back in your replayed data. So now look, we have a time. We're going to play back our trade, 8:14:50. Sometimes when you press play, it resets the clock to 0. It did it. Just right click in the blank space, go to, put the time back in, 8:14:50. We're 10 seconds prior to our trade. Now, the last piece, the missing piece, is we have to set up our software. Right click the chart, click on strategies. It's a trap trade, right? It's a trap trade. We have a DMM for this report. We're choosing the trap trade, right? So get your setup so you know what it is. JOBB trap trade. 25 and 40 were the tiers. Tier 1 is 25. Tier 2 is 40. Account warning should be off. I labeled the trade 6E. Okay. You're on playback. That's normal. The time of the event for you all is 8:15. You are 8:15. I'm testing new trap trade software. I'm 5 seconds before. You're 8:15, and prep seconds activate is 5 seconds. Position size 1 is a 1. Position size 2 is a 1. The stop is 22. Our tiers 25 and 40. Your time of event is 8:15. Your prep seconds is 5. Apply it, okay it, get rid of your DMM, and now enable your trade. You get your cash grabber, press play. This is your clock. Orders are going to show up in a few seconds. If you can't see your orders, shrink down your chart, and now we're going to wait for our fills, and we're going to see if we have an opportunity for profit on this trade. Now, it's always easy to practice a trade when you know what happened. We know what's going to happen. We happen to know because we just watched the real event. We know the price is going to go down. Now look, it's 26 seconds after the news. The news, there was no change in the rate. It was a delayed response to the news, it looks like, a little bit delayed. We're waiting to see what happens with our trap trade. How far does the price go? Fills the first tier. All right. We're not doing anything yet. Fills the second tier. Now I'm going to shrink my first target to the top of this candle. Second target below the high of the day. We're getting a slight change in direction. I know what's happening on this trade. It's unfair to cheat, but we know we need to take a quick profit. We know. So I'm going to move my target down, make believe I don't know, but make believe I'm just going for very small targets. I might have missed the opportunity already. I don't think so. Not a bad target is right below the old low. That's not a bad target. Not a bad target. Okay? Your stop, it looks like it's not going to be challenged. You don't have to do anything with the stop at all. All right? You can speed this replay up. You don't want to wait. Press the button. I can make it 5 times faster, 6 times faster. All right. We're still hoping that we get a reverse change in direction. We're 3 minutes into the trade. Not much is happening. Fills it. Okay. Move your stop to safety. I would move my stop to very safe. Okay. Plus trailing on this report. I might bring down my second target. Again, we know what's going to happen here, but this is how you replay a trade, okay? To see, did we make a mistake by not letting the trade play out? There was an absolute possibility of a $200 profit on that trade. An easy $200 profit was available on that trade if we waited longer for the trap trade to fill. Okay? That's how you practice trap trades. That's how you practice replays. That's how you get better at doing this. Okay, everybody, let me save that video.